Imagine a world without the iPhone, electric Tesla cars, or Beyoncé's genre-crossing hits. While these innovations seem like pure genius, is successful innovation really about ignoring the market? Steve Jobs once said, "People don't know what they want until you show it to them." This belief underscores a common misconception that visionaries succeed without market insights. In reality, visionary success involves a deep understanding of market trends and consumer needs. Visionaries don't disregard market data, they use it to leap further into the future. Apple's iPhone wasn't just an innovative idea, it was a response to unmet consumer needs, blending advanced functionality with ease of use. Similarly, Tesla tailored its strategy to the desires of early adopters and environmentally conscious consumers. Beyoncé's engagement across diverse audience segments is not by accident, but a strategic insight into cultural trends and media consumption. Visionaries change the world not just by dreaming, but by strategically connecting their visions with the evolving needs of people. The fusion of visionary creativity with market segmentation is what truly defines groundbreaking success. Discover more about how visionaries and market segmentation coexist in this blog. Dive deeper into the synergy that shapes our future.